Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and this is going to be an unboxing for the company Stylevana. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but I will put the website right here. They actually sent me this PR package, and yeah, so I'm excited to show you guys what they sent me, and I will link everything in the description box as well, so you guys could see what I got, and yeah, so you guys could just check out their website. They have a lot of goodies. Okay, so everything is nicely bubble wrapped in here. Ta-da! Whoa! Looks like they sent me a lot of things. Cool, I'm super excited for this. They said they were only going to send me like 4 things, I believe, but this looks like more than 4 things. So I really appreciate that. So it did come very secured. So I'm going to start off with the first thing that I just grabbed right here, and this is the More Than Lip Balm. So they did send me this lip balm right here. Really nice packaging. And by the way, Stylevana or Stylevana, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but they are an online shop and they have a lot of trendy Asian fashion and beauty products, so you guys need to go check it out. Anyways, here is the lip balm. Very nice. Does it have a flavor? It says Cyoris right there. I'm not sure if that's the flavor of the lip balm. This is an organic lip balm which contains perilla, seed oil, and seaweed extract. Nourish dry lips without being sticky. And you guys know me, I love some lip balm. So this is what it looks like. It has a very light scent. It smells good. So I'm excited to try this out. Okay. The next product that they sent me is this Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Cream, Ultra Deep Technology. And this is what the box looks like. Very nice. And it says fermented black rice and bamboo shoot bark extracts. 100% locally grown black rice, 95% naturally derived ingredients. Skin irritation test completed. So that's pretty cool. Let's check it out. Oh, that's super cute. Look at that, you guys. It looks like a little coffee. Like a little coffee cup. So adorable. I already love this. It's so cute and I love it. Look, you guys, it just screws off. Let me open it up and smell it. Oh, and it does come with this little spatula, so you could get the cream out. You don't have to put your fingers in there. Okay, smells really good. It's just like a white cream. So I'm super excited to try this out. And I just really love the packaging. It's so adorable. Okay, this is nice. Okay, let's see. The next thing that they sent me are these mild acidic pH sheet masks. And it says Jericho Rose Fit. And they sent me quite a few face masks, so I'm super excited about that. Oh my gosh, these look really nice. Check it out, you guys. They sent me 5 face masks, so I'm super excited to try these out. And I've never tried anything with Jericho Rose Fit. I don't think I have. It says the skin of a healthy person has a pH balance of pH 5.0 to 6.0, which is considered a weak acid level. Abib's mild acidic pH sheet mask is the closest to our skin pH levels, which mildly cares for our skin. Albumin coated mask sheets help absorb the essence onto our skin and form fits our face, providing a lightweight feeling. Okay, this sounds really nice, so I can't wait to try these out. I'm super excited for this. Since this is my spring break week, I'm definitely going to have like a spa day for myself, since I've been like super tired of all these doctor appointments. Okay, anyways, the next product that they sent me is this Madagascar Centella Hyalusica Water Fit Sun Serum. SPF 50. Oh, that's really nice. made with pure centella from Madagascar. And it is Skin 1004. I believe I've tried this brand before. I can't really remember, but I feel like I've seen this before. So I'm excited to try this out. This is supposed to have UV protection, functional cosmetic, brightening, anti-wrinkle, functional cosmetic, and skin irritation test completed. So it's also good for sensitive skin. It says this unscented sunscreen is super lightweight and hydrating and quickly absorbing with a non-greasy and dewy finish. Since I have oily skin, I'm always looking for products that are non-greasy. And this is what the packaging looks like. Very nice and sleek. Oh, it has a nice little pump there. I'm going to pump some onto my hand just to see the consistency of this. Okay, there you go. And of course I want to smell it. So it was just a white cream. It feels fresh. It smells fresh as well. It doesn't have like a super strong smell. It's very light. So I feel like this is going to be perfect for sensitive skin. Cool. It just goes on clear, so that's really nice. So I will be using this every morning and I'll let you guys know what I think of it. The next thing that they sent me is this Cane product. Cane Karabu Balancing and Pool Toner. Ooh, nice. So they did send me a toner. Super excited for this. And it says wet a cotton pad or palm with an appropriate amount and apply gently. I always use toners after I wash my face, so I'm excited to try something different. Let's open this up. Oh, this is really nice. I really like the packaging. Super nice. And it says Kombu Balancing and Pool Toner, made in Korea. Let me smell it. It does come sealed. I can't really smell anything, so it's kind of nice that it doesn't have like a super strong scent. Okay, now the last product that they sent me right here, it is a Specule Reborn peeling mask. I've never used a peeling mask, so I'm excited and a little scared. So it says essential ingredients and function of the essence of ancestors' wisdom. Fine Bio Specule removes dirt, trouble, and dead skin cells. Green tea 100,000 ppm and wormwood helps soothing, hydrating, and nourishing the skin. A double action exfoliator to reveal smooth and radiant skin. Softens imperfections for a radiant, smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. Okay, and it has directions here, so that's good. That's really cool. They have like the little formula on the side. It says Pestlo pursues to contain the knowledge and philosophy of ancestor which was already defined for a while. Verified ingredients and refining process are able to give the trust and honesty. So we will see what a peeling mask does to me. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty and green. It comes sealed as every product that they sent me. It is green, as you can see. And let's smell it. Okay, this one smells like, it's not too strong, it's like soft and smells like plants. Smells really good. And I can't wait to see if I like using peeling masks because like I said, I never used one before. So yeah. Anyways, that's all of the products that they sent me. So thank you so much for sending me these products. And I do have a coupon code for all of my subscribers, followers, and friends. If you guys want to try this out, my coupon code is INF10 Maryland. I will put it up here so you guys could see, and I will have all of the information in the description box. So make sure to go check out that website. Stylevana not only has the products that they sent me, they have a variety of Asian beauty products, so make sure to go check them out. I will also include the breakdown of the discount in the description box. So anyways, yeah, that is all of the products that they sent me. I'm super excited to try these out. I might do a video showing you guys when I use these products if I have time, but if not, I'll just come back and give you guys a review on all of these products. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me. it's fake.